Hello, hello, hello. How are you there? I'm Mr. Chuku, and I'm here to share amazing things about the air. Learning about the air is important to every living thing on earth. Would you like to learn about the air? I feel wonderful about today's topic, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. The air is all around us, in our classrooms, bedrooms, sitting rooms, and everywhere we go. The air is also present in water and in the soil all around us. We cannot see the air, hold it, or taste it, but we can feel it and sometimes hear it when it moves around us as the wind. So, moving air is called wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. The wind can move our clothes, papers, and the flags in our schools. We also use the wind when we play with our kites, watching them fly very high in the skies. Very strong winds can even move cars, uproot trees from the ground, and even lift houses. Strong winds like that are called a storm. S-T-O-R-M. Storm. Clean air is odorless, colorless, and tasteless too. All living things need air to breathe and stay alive, like you and I. Plants, the fish in the water, the birds in the air, and the animals on the land, and underneath the land, like the earthworm. Without air, living things all over the world cannot stay alive. So, you see how important the air is to all of us. I want you to take a deep breath in and out. One more time. Do you feel the air going in through your nose? And can you feel it coming out too? This is how we breathe. And all living things use the air to breathe and stay alive. Air also occupies space and can also take the shape and size of a lot of things. Let's take for example, what can you see here? Do you know what it is? Have you seen it before? It's a balloon. I'm going to use this balloon to show you that air occupies space and has weight. Look at the balloon. A second ago it was flat and little, but as I blew the balloon it became bigger and bigger. What do you think makes the balloon bigger and bigger? It's the air. I blew air into the balloon and the air filled it and took the shape and size of this beautiful balloon, making it bigger. The same thing happens when we pump the balls we play with on the playground, the tires on bicycles, and the cars we see all around us. Air is a mixture of many gases. G-A-S. Gas. A gas is anything that can move about freely to fill a container. It has no shape. So, air has many gases. Those gases are oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other gases. Take a look at this. 1. The oxygen in the air. O, X, Y, G, E, N. Oxygen is a very important part of the air. Human beings and animals use the oxygen in the air to breathe. Remember when we were breathing in and out, right? What actually happened was that we were taking in the oxygen in the air and breathing out the carbon dioxide. This is also same for all animals, like the birds in the air, the fish in the water, and the animals on land. That's amazing, right? 2. Carbon dioxide in air. C-A-R-B-O-N-D-I-O-X-I-D-E. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is also a very important part of the air. This is what all plants around us use to breathe. When human beings and animals breathe out carbon dioxide, plants breathe it in and in turn breathe out oxygen, which we use. Isn't that wonderful? But do plants have a nose like us, which they use to breathe? No! 3. There are other things in the air, like the water vapor, which is the gaseous form of the water we drink every day, and other gases. Have you had a good time learning about the air? Now you know how important the air is to every living thing on the earth. Before we finish here, let's remind ourselves of some important things about the air. Here we go. 1. Air is present all around us. 2. Air is colorless, odorless, and tasteless. 3. Moving air is called wind. 4. Air takes up space. Air has weight. 5. Animals and plants both need air to breathe. 6. Humans and animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. 7. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. 8. Air is a mixture of many gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor, and other gases. Just before you leave, let me ask you some of the questions I'm thinking about. If you answer them all, I'll be happy that you've learned about the air. Let's see. 1. The air has some things in it like oxygen and carbon dioxide. Is this true? Yes, it is. You are absolutely correct about that. 2. What do plants and animals use the air for? Yes! Plants and animals use the air to breathe. That is absolutely right. I'm happy we learned about the air. Are you happy too? That's good. I will see you again next time. Bye for now.